Hello and welcome to video number 11 of the EDS education program. In this video we are going to talk about events classification. To be more specific, we are going to discuss what classification is and why it is needed, how to classify events, what the system learns from classification, and how to create classification reports. An event can be classified only after it has ended. As long as the event is in a pending or triggered status, it is impossible to classify the event. If a current event exists, it can be viewed by clicking on the second button to the left located on the panel of each model. In order to view a summary of all currently activated events in all running models, click the button labeled Show Current Events Details located on the server's main screen toolbar. Once you have clicked the Events button on the model's main panel, the Events panel will be shown. Events are listed in this panel from the most recent at the top to the oldest at the bottom of the screen. By default, only events from the last 30 days are listed. However, you may select another period for display. You may also filter the events according to status or severity. In order to classify an event, click the second button from the top located on the left toolbar. This is the classification screen. The main purpose of classification is to instruct the EDS about how to learn from events. At the top of the screen there are 4 buttons. They are labeled as follows: False, Ignore, Other, and True. False means that a certain condition in the water quality should not trigger an event. Ignore means that the operator instructs the EDS system to ignore this event in the learning process. Other also means not to include the event in the learning process, but the cause of this event should be notified and recorded. True means that triggering the event was justified. Event classification selection can be done in 2 ways. Either by selecting or unchecking a group of event classifications. User classification can be set by group or by class by clicking on one of the above buttons. The user description field allows the user to add free text to the description of the events. Once the definition has been set, click the Classify button located on the right-hand side of the lower part of the screen. If the event has already been classified, a proper message will pop up. If you want to overwrite the older definition, check the Overwrite Existing Status field. Events classification status and dates are all listed in the Events panel. Statistics will be displayed about how many false, ignore, other, and true events occurred during this period. These statistics indicate whether or not the model is reliable. Events classification results also have an effect on the detectors that participated in the event. This can be viewed in the Detectors panel. In this panel you can see the numbers of true, false, other, and ignore events for each detector, based on the events in which it was participating. A specific score is also given to each detector. A detector that triggered an alert during an event which was classified as a true event gets a good score. A detector that triggered an alert during an event that was classified as a false event gets a bad score. The total score of each detector is reported and can be used to tune the detector. An events classification overview can be seen via the EDS reporting system. Video number 12 presents an overview of the reporting system. In this slide we only refer to report number 4, which gives an overview of the events classification. The report has 2 parts. The first part presents the total number of all events by grouping and classification. This can be seen on the top left-hand part of this slide. The second part presents details about each event. The details include information about each detector that was part of this event. This ends video number 10. We hope to see you at video number 11.